Oh. Guys, back to the hunt quarters, and today is the moment you guys have been waiting for. If you signed up for throtlVIP last month, that we gave away a full turbo kit for your car. So let's go pick the winner right now.
All right, it's turbo time, baby. You guys ready?
Let's do it. Here we go. So we put all of our VIPs into the random picker online, and we're just gonna click this right here. Maybe. SlowestSubaru, you just won a turbo kit, baby! All right, here we go. Carter, right?
Yeah.
Let me put this down.
Hey, Mr. Carter.
Hey, Mr. Carter.
Here we go. Hello? Hey, what's up, man? Hold on, let me put you on speaker here. Is this SlowestSubaru on throttle?
Yeah.
Is this Carter?
This is Carter, what's up?
Dude, I got some good news for you, man. You won the turbo kit giveaway for throtlVIP.
What?
You won, brother.
Seriously?
You actually
won it, man, baby.
So it looks like you got a WRX, so we can hook you up with like an upgrade, turbo upgrade, full setup.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your project.
Is Subaru, WRX swap. Fully gutted, have a wide body, just the fender flares.
Okay.
Car's fully built on a budget though. I put about $100 in. I do everything myself.
Nice, dude.
So
Awesome.
build everything out of ABS plastic. The fender flares I couldn't do, even though I tried. I had so much trouble, but yeah, I built all the diffusers, splitters, and whatnot.
Cool. It's about to be a lot faster.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. So it's pretty easy. Essentially, I have your email. Let me just confirm it's the right one. Yep. Yeah, so I will send you an email with some more information, and then we can kind of get you spec'd out. There's a couple different options that we can do with you. So congratulations, and yeah, we'll be talking very soon.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. Congrats, and thanks again for being a VIP.
Oh, by the way, I love the videos.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, for sure.
Like,
And just so you know, right after we get off the phone, I'm going to be editing this and publishing this, and you're actually on the vlog right now. So, so get ready. It'll be up in about an hour or two.
awesome. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
man.
Congrats again, Carter.
Thank you.
All right, see you. Bye. Awesome. Super pumped. Perfect VIP. He's gonna be super happy with this car for sure. It sounded like he did a lot of exterior mods. He didn't talk too much about the engine stuff, so we'll be able to make his car. I mean, those things are gonna be really fast with the turbo upgrade.
Yeah.
So.
We love doing this shit,
Yeah,
man.
this is why we do it. All right, so Carter, once again, on behalf of the entire Throttle team, I just want to say congratulations. We are super stoked for you. We know you're gonna love it. And if you guys haven't heard, this month we're giving away $5,000 to spend on new performance parts. So I wanted to insert a couple clips from some VIPs to let you know what they really think about the VIP program.
Using throtlVIP is without a doubt the best things you could do as a car guy.
Not only will you be automatically entered in the chance to win cool prizes every month like free air suspension, but you'll save 10% on all brand new parts in the Throttle shop, and Throttle will price match those parts for you as well. It's a no-brainer.
I saved about $200 being a member of throtlVIP. If it wasn't for throtlVIP, my car wouldn't be slammed the way it is now.
The greatest investment you can make as a car person is throtlVIP. You're going to get the best discounts on the best parts, and you're never going to get a deal, anything like it, anywhere else, on the internet, in person, no matter where you go.
I highly recommend getting throtlVIP. It's definitely worth it.
Hey, I forgot to tell you, Tanner picked up his FRS. Let me show you a couple clips from his first rides in the car. What do you think, dude?
Oh, it's so awesome, dude.
It sounds so good.
Yeah,
It's
I love
way
the pops.
faster too.
I know it is. It made the biggest difference.
Tunnel time. Oh, so smooth now. Alright, so guys, there's one more thing I'm gonna sneak into this video at the end. If you've made it this far, you are a real OG, and we thank you for tuning in all the way to the end of our videos. We caught Alex editing this really funny promotional video. I'm gonna sneak it in here. He doesn't know I'm doing it. So, what I want you guys to do is in the comments below, I want you to let us know what you thought of Alex's awesome, funny little promotional video.
Sometimes you just use a throtl, and that can get expensive. So we came up with a solution, introducing throtlVIP, 10% off all of your car parts for life.
Alright guys, that is all the time I have for you today. So if you like what you saw in this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.